Hello students,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I climb. I am writing. I am reading. I jump. I am dancing. I am swim. I am sleeping. I love. I am glad. I am eating. I am bed. I drink. I am running.
Okay. And what are you doing?
I throw. I throw. I catch.
Oh. Hello students,
Hi.
what are you doing?